you will have a lot of doors and a lot of windows and a lot of plumbing fixtures and finishes in your house. And the way to keep that organized so that the builder can find all those details and you don't have to clutter your drawings with a lot of details is with something called a schedule. And it's a table that looks kind of like this. It lists the items, gives details about precisely what they are, how many there are. On your elevation views, you might have a symbol that gives a name. You know, this is A or this is 1 or something that refers the builder to the schedule. And you might have symbols on your plan view. So notice how in this plan view, instead of having a whole bunch of notes with lots and lots of words describing doors and windows, we just have a simple symbol. So here are circles with A's in them and a B. On this drawing, those are referring to a window schedule, where this drafter is using a circle. And an A symbol refers to a window where there are 2 of those, and they are 3 feet wide by 4 feet high. Then this drafter is using hexagon symbols for doors, and here are the doors. There's only one door that is the style of this one here. Style 2, this interior door, looks like there are 3 of those kind of doors in this plan set, and so on and so forth. In the schedule, then, you will list the name of the symbol that you used in the plan or elevation, and you'll list the quantity of the thing, how many of them are there, and then as many other details as you need. What size is it? What style is it? Occasionally you even list the brand, and then color and finish and so forth. I will continue on with this. Here's an alternative method that you'll see some drafters use, especially if you're doing a sort of a, what would you call it? You're drawing house plans, but not for a particular client. You're just making plans to sell. They're like spec houses, and you don't know yet what style of door and window they're going to want. You just know how big you want it to be framed into the framing. So you put these numbers on there, and those numbers just say what the sizes are. The first 2 numbers are how wide the thing is, and the second 2 numbers are how high the thing is. So looking at this window in the left side wall, it says 60-40. That means 6 feet 0 inches wide, 4 feet 0 inches high. While the door, here's the exterior door in this wall, it says 30-68. That means it's 3 feet 0 inches wide and 6 feet 8 inches tall, which is good because, as we know, that's the code requirement for an exterior door. When you're drawing a schedule in your drawing set, usually you put the schedule on its own sheet, and here are the layers. Schedule, SCHD, is one of those minor designations. So first we have A for architecture, then we have the major designation, like door, A door, and then the minor designation schedule. So this is the name of the layer for a door schedule. A glaze schedule, this is the name of the layer for a window schedule. A fixed schedule is plumbing fixtures. An M HVAC schedule is for heating and air conditioning equipment. M stands for mechanical. So in your drawings where you're drawing heating and air conditioning and ventilation and all that sort of thing, your sheet number and your layer name will begin with an M, and so on and so forth. And then for the sheet number, remember how we've been putting numbers on our sheets. We've gone A for architecture, A dash, let's say 101 for the floor plan, A-201 for the elevation sheet, and so forth. Here we go. Here's the sheet number for schedules. A-601 could be a sheet for schedules. So here's a typical plan set, and you don't have to have all these sheets. I'm just showing you what some typical numbers could be. So there's A101 for the floor plan. Here's A201 for an elevation. Here's A301 for a section. And here in the 600s, A601 for schedules. A602 for more schedules, and so forth.